Hello friends, my name is Atul Gadam. This video is for 9th standard. Name of content is lines and angles. This question is from R.D. Sharma, page number 10.17, example number 19. Read the question very carefully. POQ is a line. This POQ is a line. Ray OR is a perpendicular to line PQ. This one is a line OR which is a perpendicular to this line PQ. OS is another ray lying between the ray OP and OR. This one is a ray OS. This ray lies between the ray OR and the ray OP. What we know here? POQ is a line. Ray OR perpendicular to line PQ means angle ROQ is equals to angle ROP, that is equals to 90 degree. OS is another one ray which is between ray OR and OP. Prove that angle ROS, which one is angle ROS? This angle ROS. This one is angle ROS. This angle ROS is equals to half of एंगल QoS माइनस एंगल POS, यानी एंगल QoS और एंगल POS इन दो एंगल के डिफरेंस से ROS क्या है? हाफ है. विच वन इज एंगल QoS? हियर दिस वन is the angle QoS, and which one is the angle POS? This one is angle POS. Means the measure of angle ROS is half of the measure of angle QoS minus angle POS. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. ओके, अगर इस क्वेश्चन को आप अच्छी तरीके से देखोगे तो ये प्रॉब्लम हम दो तरीके से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. दोनों मेथड मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगा, अच्छी तरीके से याद रखो. पहले फाइंड करो कि मेजर ऑफ एंगल QoS. ऑब्जर्व द एंगल QoS. दिस वन इज एंगल QoS. ओके, QoS के बारे में सोचना है, बाद में एंगल POS के बारे में सोचना है. उससे पहले हमें क्या दिया है? दिस रे OR परपेंडिकुलर टू द लाइन PQ. देन राइट डाउन एट फर्स्ट. Here the ray OR perpendicular to line PQ, reason given. अब OR is perpendicular to line PQ, therefore angle ROP and angle ROQ, ये दो एंगल का मेजर कितना हो गया? करेक्ट. दिस टू एंगल्स आर 90 डिग्री मेजर. Means the at the place of angle ROP we can easily take 90 degree measure, and at the place of angle ROQ we can take 90 degree measure. Then find the measure of angle QoS. Why QoS? Because QoS is the first angle. Then find angle QoS. Angle QoS is the addition of which two angles? Right. Angle QoS is the addition of angle ROQ and angle ROS. So the next statement is measure of angle QoS is equals to measure of angle QOR plus angle ROS. Measure of angle QoS is equals to measure of angle ROQ plus measure of angle ROS. Why we can do the addition between the angle ROQ and angle ROS? Because angle ROQ and angle ROS, these two angles are the adjacent angles. Then write down the reason. Angle ROQ and angle ROS are adjacent angles. Observe the statement number 2 and statement number 3. The conclusion from 2 and 3 is ROQ is equals to 90 degree, means at the place of ROQ taking 90 degree. Then next statement is angle QoS is equals to 90 degree plus angle ROS. Yani in the to prove angle QoS is the first angle, so find the measure of angle QoS at first. Then second one is angle POS. Observe angle POS. Then find the angle POS. Observe my friend figure. Angle POS is a subtraction of two angles. Which two angles? Angle ROP माइनस एंगल ROS. अगर आपने एंगल ROS में से या एंगल ROP में से एंगल ROS कैंसिल करने के बाद क्या बचेगा? एंगल POS. यानी नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट होगा एंगल एंगल POS is equals to angle ROP minus angle ROS. What? Angle POS is equals to angle ROP minus angle ROS. Why we can do the subtraction between ROP and ROS? Because here the angle ROS and angle POS are the adjacent angles. Here observe the statement number 2. What is the statement number 2? Angle ROP is equals to 90 degree. This angles ROP is measure is a 90 degree. At the place of ROP taking 90. And fifth one is angle POS is equals to angle ROP minus ROS. Means at the place of ROP taking 90 degree measure. Then sixth statement is angle POS is equals to 90 degree minus angle ROS. Then observe to prove. What is to prove? Angle ROS is equals to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Means angle QOS और angle POS में कौन सा ऑपरेशन है? Subtraction. So the angle QOS value we know, angle POS value we know. Then subtract angle QOS minus angle POS यानी फोर्थ माइनस सिक्स्थ. ये स्टेटमेंट आगे का होगा. आगे का स्टेटमेंट क्या होगा? इक्वेशन नंबर 4 माइनस इक्वेशन नंबर 6. Here the equation number 4 is this one. Angle QOS is equals to 90 minus ROS, and sixth one is angle POS is equals to 90 minus angle ROS. 4 minus 6. Next statement is equation number 4 minus equation number 6. Okay, angle QOS minus angle POS is equals to, right side is taking in the first bracket, in a bracket 90 degree minus plus angle ROS minus sixth one's right side is taking in the bracket 90 degree minus angle ROS. ओके, ये माइनस से हमें क्या करना है? 90 डिग्री को और माइनस से एंगल ROS को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. एंगल QOS माइनस एंगल POS दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री एज इट इज प्लस एंगल ROS एज इट इज माइनस और प्लस माइनस 90 डिग्री minus into minus plus angle ROS. What is cancel my friend here? Here positive 90 degree and negative 90 degree get cancelled. What is remains? Angle QOS minus angle POS that is equals to 1 angle ROS plus 1 angle ROS 2 angle ROS. Next step होगी therefore angle QOS minus angle POS that is equals to 2 into angle ROS. Here 2 is in a multiplication form, transpose multiplications 2, then 1 by 2 in a bracket angle QOS minus angle POS that is equals to only angle ROS is remains. इसे हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं therefore angle ROS is equals to half into angle QOS minus angle POS. Is that clear? And making the box for last statement. This one is a good habit of good student. This one is a method number 1. We can solve the same problem with the another method. Okay, observe to prove my friends. Here 2 is in a divisions place. डिवीजन के 2 अगर आप ट्रांसपोज करोगे तो क्या होगा? टू एंगल आर ओ एस इज इक्वल टू एंगल क्यू ओ एस माइनस एंगल पी ओ एस। अगर डिवीजन के टू को अगर ट्रांसपोज करोगे तो क्या आएगा, टू एंगल आर ओ एस इज इक्वल टू एंगल क्यू ओ एस माइनस एंगल पी ओ एस। अब टू एंगल आर ओ एस का मतलब क्या होगा, वन एंगल आर ओ एस प्लस वन एंगल आर ओ एस, यानी एंगल आर ओ एस की वैल्यू आपको कितनी बार निकालनी पड़ेगी, टू टाइम्स। एक बार एंगल आर ओ एस की वैल्यू इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एंगल क्यू ओ एस, एंड सेकंड थिंग एंगल आर ओ एस की वैल्यू इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एंगल पी ओ एस, और वो जो दो वैल्यू आएंगे उनका आपको एडिशन करना होगा। फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज एंगल ray OR perpendicular to line PQ region given. Therefore, measure of angle ROQ is equals to measure of angle ROP, that is equals to 90 degree. Third one is angle ROS plus angle ROQ, that is equals to angle QOS. Angle ROS plus angle ROQ is equals to angle QOS. In the next step, at the place of angle ROQ taking 90 degree, means angle ROS plus 90 degree equals to angle QOS. Here this positive 90 degree is transpose, means next step is angle ROS is equals to angle QOS minus 90 degree. Here this one is the first value of angle ROS. Then find the second value of angle ROS. Here angle ROP minus angle ROS, that is equals to angle POS. या तो फिर आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो एंगल ROS प्लस एंगल POS इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल ROP. In the next step, we know that angle ROP is 90 degree. At the place of angle ROP taking 90 degree, means next step is angle ROS plus angle POS is equals to 90 degree. Here the angle POS is a positive. Transpose this positive POS, means 8th step is angle ROS is equals to 90 degree minus angle POS. This one is the second value of angle ROS. In a statement number 5, this one is a value of angle ROS. In the statement number 8, this one is also value of angle ROS. Then adding statement number 5 and statement number 8. Angle ROS plus angle ROS is equals to angle QOS minus 90 degree plus 90 degree minus angle POS. Observe the right side of equal sign. Here the positive 90 degree and negative 90 degree is transpose, and one angle ROS plus one angle ROS, two angle ROS. Here this 2 is in a multiplication form. The meaning of 2 angle ROS means 2 into angle ROS. Here multiplications 2 is a transpose, means angle ROS is equals to 1 by 2 into angle QOS minus angle POS. That we want to prove. Okay friends, hope you all are understood this problem. This problem is also important. See this video minimum 2 times and write down the question. Okay, thank you.